Archaeologists discover what could be one of the world's oldest flush toilets. That's the thing that's next to me in the video, if you're watching the video version of this. When contemplating the greatest convenience of modern society, one might consider the smartphone, the automobile, or even the refrigerator. But civilization's unsung hero is truly the porcelain throne. Our toilets and the sewer systems, they connect us not only to keep things sanitary, but also protect the world's water supplies. However, the actual invention of the toilet isn't all that modern. Recently, Chinese archaeologists discovered what may be one of the oldest manual flush toilets, dating back 2,200 to 2,400 years ago. Liu Rui, and I hope I pronounced that properly, Liurui, a researcher at the Institute of Archaeology at the Chinese Academy of Social Sciences, told state-owned China Daily it is the first and only flush toilet to be ever unearthed in China. Everybody at the site was surprised, and then we all burst into laughter. The toilet was discovered by Liu and his team in the ruins of a palace at the Yiyang, Yueyang archaeological site in Xi'an. Xi'An. Archaeologists found the broken pieces of the toilet, including a bent pipe at site number 3. The toilet likely dates back all the way to the Warring States period, 475 to 221 BC, when it would have been considered luxury object. Per China Daily, it is thought to have been used by high-ranking members of the Qin Kingdom, Kingdom, or by the Han Dynasty. According to Liu, the toilet bowl was used indoors with a pipe leading to an outside pit. The researcher theorized that servants were responsible for pouring water into the bowl when it was used. There's some dirty jobs out there, I'll tell you. Excavation at Yuyang began all the way back in the 1980s, according to CNN, starting with building number 1. Over the ensuing decades, archaeologists have uncovered more ruins with hopes of getting insights into the ancient past. But according to the press release, it was only within the past year archaeologists decided to fully uncover buildings number 11 and number 3, where the toilet was found. Before the discovery, historians believed the first flushable toilet to be invented by Victorian England, according to History.com. Sir John Harrington. John, get it? John, the godson of Queen Elizabeth I. And he was credited with coming up with the idea, which called for a, quote, 2-foot deep oval bowl, waterproofed with pitch, resin, and wax, and fed by water from an upstairs cistern, end quote. There is also evidence of 4,000-year-old drainage systems found in India that might have been toilets. As for what's next, Liu and his team are analyzing the soil samples from the toilet and are hopeful of finding traces of ancient human feces. Goals, right? He told China Daily that the team would like to learn about ancient people's food habits. In addition to being a humorous finding, Liu praised the discovery as an important part of history. The flush toilet is concrete proof of the importance of the ancient Chinese attached to sanitation. That's it for me. It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. Peace. I'm out of here.